you ever wondered how to create rolling credit titles like this? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make professional-looking credits using CapCut in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, add a black photo as your background. This will serve as the base for your credits. Next, adjust the duration of the black background. I recommend setting it to 20 seconds, depending on how long you want your credits to roll. And let's set the video ratio to 16:9. Now, type out your credit text or copy the text. We'll use it in the next step. Go to the text section and select default text. Paste the copied text into the text box. Position it on the screen where you want the credits to appear. In this step, adjust the text size, choose the font style, and set the spacing for the credit title. Once the text is formatted to your preference, here's where the magic happens. Drag the text all the way to the bottom of the screen until it's completely hidden. Click the text again, and look to the right side of the screen for text settings. Scroll down until you find the Transform option. Next to Transform, you'll see the keyframe button. Click it. Move to the end of the video and drag the text upward until it completely disappears off the screen. Add another keyframe at this position, and there you have it, your animated credit title is ready.